and this is Blockly for Robolink right here. So this is our block coding language for CoDrone, and we recommend using this over Snap. In previous videos, you might have heard that Snap is being phased out of the Chrome app, so it will no longer be supported very soon. So we highly recommend that you start switching over as soon as possible. So we're just going to show you how to use it. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have junior and senior blocks. We'll talk about those later. Right down here, you have the pairing options. Right here is run code and stop. That is exactly what it sounds like. And over here, you have the option to see your code in Python, JavaScript, and Arduino. So we'll show you what that looks like later. And then over here, you can change your views, and this is your trash can. So we'll just show you what a code will look like both in junior and in senior Blockly. So let's say that I don't know, want to do a square. So like here with junior, the main difference between junior and senior is just the language used in the block. So junior, it's very simple language, very introductory. So we're just going to drag our block over. So take off, and then let's have it go to 200 millimeters above the ground. And then junior, it's great. You have the option to fly in all these different shapes. So let's just do a square. And then we will have it. Oh, it's down here, up here. Land. And that's it. Right? If you want to separate part of your code for whatever reason, let's say you wanted to get rid of this, you just drag it over to the trash can. Right? You can also drag it over here. It'll get rid of it that way. Okay? You could also do loops. So repeat 4 times. Square has 4 sides. Then again, simple language. You could go forward or backward, up, down, left, right. Let's do it for 3 seconds. And then you can turn left for 90 degrees. And that's it. It's all just, hold on 1 second. Let me get that land block back in. It's easy to read, and it will help the students that are just being introduced to coding. Okay, so senior, it's a little bit different. You have language that looks a little bit more like text-based coding. So let's do takeoff. And then we're still going to go to height. And this is all in millimeters. And then where is the loops? Right there. So we're going to repeat this 4 times. And then the move block, you'll see it has roll, pitch, yaw, and throttle. So roll, side to side motion, pitch is forward and backward, yaw is turning, and then throttle is up and down. So we're going to have this. And this is the kind of like the speed or the percentage of power that you want to go at. So 50 is always a good way to start, and then you can go up or down based on what you see. So we're going forward for 50, and then we're going to do turn degree right there. And then you have your landing block. All right. And so then what you can do is go over here and see what your code looks like in Python. And if you change something, that will change in real time. So all of a sudden the landing block, well, it didn't entirely disappear, but you can see that it moved a little bit. So that's what is in Python, in JavaScript, and Arduino will be available soon. All right, so we recommend that you play around with it with your CoDrone. And please let us know if you have any questions. Go to forum.robolink.com. Thank you so much.